everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited to share something very valuable with you all, that my journey learning the Japanese language through a government supported program offered by JIC and I applied through Hello Work. And anybody who is foreigner and reside in Japan, they can easily apply this program through Hello Work, which is located nearby their places. That, like, I live in Saitama, and Hello Work is just like 2 minutes or 3 minutes near my place. So you guys also can search where the Hello Work is located and just go there. So what is this program for and what this JIC stands for? I really want to explain you all these things. So first of all, let me explain you that what is JIC. JIC stands for Japan International Cooperation Center, and it is an organization that support foreign residents in Japan by offering various programs, not only language, they offer various other programs as well. But as far I know, that they provide Japanese language training to help foreigners who settle and work and live for their betterment of life in Japan. So this course was a part of foreign workers employment and settlement support training funded by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. This program is supported by Ministry of Japan. So it's very helpful and very like fruitful for every foreigner who really want to improve their Japanese language and who really want to make their communications level a little bit more upgraded. So I'll recommend this to you all. So this program is basically applied through Hello Work only. So you have to go to Hello Work, and they will guide you through all the processes. That if you just have to say that I want to study Japanese, and they will guide you all the process. And most important is that this everything here in this program is for free of cost. They will charge you 0 rupees, they will not charge you any rupees. So it's free of cost. If you really want to learn some basic Japanese related to work, related to daily life, then this is very useful, as it really helps me. I didn't go to any school college here in like language school. I haven't through any language school, but yet I can at least have that confident that I can at least I can communicate with any Japanese, very basic Japanese. I will not say, of course, I won't say that I am fluent in Japanese. I am just trying to say that I can at least convey that what they are saying in a very polite way. So if you really want to have this kind of level, then I'll recommend you all to just run and go to Hello Work and get this access, as it is free of cost and it has a very limited seat. So everyone will might not be able to grab this opportunity. So there's like a kind of a slot. So for each slot, maybe there are many groups. So each group, there might be around 10 people. Yes, in my time, in my section, there are 10 or maybe 8 people in this section. So it will be, I guess it will be really helpful if you just run to the Hello Work and try to apply it. So as my this course, I want to more add about this course. This program, there are like level 2 and level 3. If you like level 3, level 3 is little bit lower level and level 2 is little bit higher level. So if you complete level 3, you can just go for level 2 as well. uh, Same process, and they will charge you nothing. So as I have like learned learned this both level 3 and level 2. So I am quite happy with the teachers and with everyone who just been there in this journey. So, and this course basically includes communications, like how communications, and also like how you use polite words, how you like convey with in Japan, how you can like say these things, how whatever you want to say in a very polite way. Also like listening, speaking, and they will also like make you really like real life situations. So they will give you a scenario and you have to like talk on those basis. So it has overall, it will cover overall everything, you can say that. Okay, this is for everyone, this is not restricted to any precise people, this is for everyone whosoever wants to learn it. They can learn this, whoever reside in Japan and they want to like try it, then just they can just access this. So you have to first go to Hello Work and register there and ask them that I want to study Japanese. Then they will give you some guidance. They are very friendly and they are very supportive. They are very supportive, very supportive. They will tell you each and everything whatever you want to know. Even they provide you job as well. If you are like jobless, you don't know how to find job, then they will even help you to find job according to your level of Japanese. So first of all, you should register to the Hello Work ASAP. Okay, after you complete this course, this course is about 2.5 months, I guess, 2.5 months. So if you complete this course, then they will provide you a certificate, a proper certificate. I will attach, if I like, I'll attach somewhere here. You can see this certificate will really helpful when you go for like interview, or when you go for uh, some higher level job, or even a lower level job. If they are asking for Japanese language, then this certificate is really helpful, as this certificate really helps me. So I'll really recommend you for this certificate is proper, signed by the like president, which president of JIC, president of JIC, Mr. Yoshida Kojo. I don't remember the name, so I'm just looking at the screen. So his name is Mr. Yoshida Kozo. You can just Google it. Who is he? He is the president of JIC. It's a great additions to our resume. So it's plus to our to us only. So for that's it, about the JIC and the Japanese language. If you have any questions, if you want my assistant, my help, then I'm really like up there for to help you, in every way. If that's it for this program is highly recommended, that anyone living in Japan and wants to improve their Japanese, it's free and helpful. So if you guys found this video helpful and supportive, or any kind of like 1% it helps um to your life, then please do give a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll give you more update about these things, or this kind of updates. Okay, let's support each other, as we are foreigners living in Japan, so we should support each other, we should guide each other. Till then, mata ne, 頑張りましょうね。